Hi, this is Nikki Litsky, and I want to share with you a game changer of an app called Incredibox. One of the things that I have a problem with in my own classroom is having students who are not always using their own intellectual property. I don't want them to use other people's property. I want them to be creative in their own right, and so a lot of times when you are working on a presentation, you have the opportunity to put background music in, but often we don't always do a great job of creating our own music. Incredibox helps make creating your own music extremely easy for students. I'd like to show you how that's done. I'm going to select a style, and the style I'm going to select here is called Little Miss. And you can see that the stage is going to pop up right here for Little Mix. The way that Incredibox works is that each avatar that you add into the mix creates part of a layer, and you can layer sounds on top of sounds on top of sounds. So, for instance, this guy here needs a shirt. So I'm going to put beats on him. I'm going to just drag and drop. And here he goes. There's your beat. I just laid it down. Let's add an effect in. Now this shirtless guy over here needs a melody. And why not a voice? And possibly another voice. Let's add an extra beat in here. And another effect. And you can see how all of these work together to create that great mix. Now I can choose to record the mix. And in just a few moments, I'll have laid down enough track so that I can share that mix out, and I can use it in my own work, so it becomes my own intellectual property. And I think that's a pretty cool thing. So if you're looking for something your kids will grab onto quickly that will allow them to create great music, good beats, something catchy in a short amount of time with very minimal work, here you go. Why not try Incredibox? When my recording is finished, I can choose to replay the mix, I can share it, or I can download it. It's as easy as that. Hope you try it.